Good afternoon, guys. I talked about making this video in one of my other videos about the bolt locks that I use for the blue truck, and I said that I was going to do a video on setting up a new receiver lock, which I have here. Finally got this in the mail today, so I got this in the mail today. So if you order these, this is what you get. It tells you how to do it. I've already done a couple, so that's not a big deal. Bolt lock is made by STRATTEC. One second, I'll get the white truck key out here and get the camera set up and show y'all how to do this. Okay, so what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna cut right here, get that to release and whatnot. Then open it up, and you have your lock. Put that right there, and you have your pin. Just put that to the side. Now these here, this is the 5/8 receiver lock right here. Very nice. You pick it up and you can tell you picked up something, you know. Very nice, very finished. Anyways, now on to programming the cylinder here. What you're gonna do is you're gonna have your truck key and pop the cap open, and there's this little sticker in here. This is warning, do not remove until ready to program. Peel that off. And then there's this little rubber tab. Just take your fingernail or your key or whatever, get in there and peel that out. Just like that. And then you take your key, your truck key here, and you twist it, and you'll feel it kind of grind and catch, and then it'll just keep going. You're not going to break it. You're not going to break your key. It is very stiff. So, as you can see here, now it's programmed. Okay. So, how this works here is you do not have to lock this after you clip it on. You take your pin and and you hear that little click, and now it's locked. So what I found to do this, because you put your key in and you try to turn it and the whole thing turns. So what I do on the truck out there is I pull this all the way over to where this is against my Gen Y hitch, and I grab this with one hand, turn the key, and pull. This won't pull through the hitch, so, or like this here, you grab the pin and the lock, twist it, and pull. And it's that easy. And like I said, you don't have to relock it or none of that. You just clip it. When you hear it click, there you go. Just like that. I love the bolt lock products. I've been using them for a solid 2 or 3 months now. I have them on the white truck. I use them with the blue truck. I love them, you know. I've never had any problem with water getting in these. Like I said, I do use these, the cable locks on the four-wheelers between the racks and the bumper and whatnot. And when I go to pressure wash them, I pressure wash the four-wheelers right after every single wash, or every single ride, my bad. And I've never had problems with water getting in here, or these sticking, or just whatever, you know. And like I said, they're really nice finished. The machining. And overall, just a really nice product. Now, they do sponsor the white truck, and I guess you could say the blue truck. I didn't pay anything for these or any of my other bolt locks. But they're not paying me to do this or whatnot. I genuinely like these. I would buy these in a heartbeat for another project or whatever. For, I think one of these is like 20 bucks, you know. And it's the ease of usability. Like I said, you just put your key in here, turn it, pull, and there it is, you know. You don't have to carry around a bunch of keys for, you know, this, that, or the other. Your truck key, programs, and that's it. I have recommended these to family members, and I would recommend getting one of these or any other bolt lock product for any kind of vehicle. Now it says on here Ford, Lincoln, Mercury. They do make Chevrolet, as you can see here. They have GM early and late model, GM Center Cut, which is Buick, Cadillac, Chevrolet, GMC, Toyota, Nissan, Chrysler products, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, Ford, Lincoln, Mercury, you know, and such as that. I guess kind of the only bad thing about these is, I guess if you trade vehicles a lot, you know, because once this is programmed, there is no reprogramming it. So you gotta take that into consideration. But for how convenient these are to have, I would put one of these on every single build or project that I have. I generally like them that much. But thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please let me know down below. I can do some more bolt locks products, I guess you could say, as well as other install products. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching today's video. If you liked it, please leave a like down below and comment. Tell me what you think about the bolt locks. I would like to know what y'all's opinions of these are. They also offer these in a bunch of different, like I said in the other video. I think they have these in 1/2 inch, 5/8. They have the toolbox locks, the toolbox latches, the cable locks, the padlocks, the receiver, coupler locks on your trailer, and a bunch of other stuff, you know. So go check them out. I will link their website in the description below. So go check them out. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope y'all have a great day. And go check out the giveaway. I'm giving a brand new set of McTuning rock lights at 500 subscribers. So go check out the video for all the rules and how to enter and such as that. But thanks for watching, guys. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.